So I'm chomping at the bit to go and catch these rising cutthroats behind me. But before I do, before I jump in the water and ruin everything, I want to talk to you a little bit about why those fish are there and how you can use that reading the water. So in a high mountain stream like this, the water's really clear. You don't see any algae on the rocks. The rocks are very clean. There's not a lot of food here. So those fish are going to have to be in that main current thread to catch all the food that's drifting down. So when you're prospecting and you don't see anything rising like this, that's where you want to look. So I've got a bunch of cutthroats rising up here in this pool, a whole pile of them. And I put on a big attractor dry, which usually works for cutthroats, but it didn't work. So I'm going to have to match the hatch. And I've seen some kind of olivey, fairly good sized mayflies here along the rocks. So I'm going to put on a mayfly emerger and see what I can do with these fish. Whoa, that's a nice fish. I can't see him. I didn't know how close he was to the net. There he comes. Whoa. Wow. Woo.
Nice job, Tom.
Wow. That is a beautiful cutthroat. Ugh. Oh! Oh, big look. Oh, another look. See a good rise?
That's a good fish.
Yeah. Yeah, you just won't give up.
No.
I mean, 5X, I gotta be a little careful. Ah, don't you dare do that. So this beautiful fat cutthroat is a good example of changing your positions during a hatch. I had been fishing from this bank and getting a little bit of drag, I guess, because the fish on the far side of the seam just wouldn't take the fly. They'd refuse it. I could see them coming up and looking at it. They wouldn't take it. So I moved myself around to the tail of the pool so I could shoot straight upstream to the fish, and bingo, it worked.